In this video, we are going to show you how to make a barrilete, which is what Guatemalan people do. They make massive kites, so this is just a smaller version, but they make massive kites, sometimes over as much as 6 months, to honor their dead. So we will be making a small version, and you'll get pieces in your kit, and you can decorate it however you want to. The main thing we're going to do right now is just teach you how to get this octagon shape. So I'm going to slide that out of the way. We're going to bring in the one we're going to use. It's got some glue on it because I've tried it before, but that's okay. It takes a little practice. And so I have my glue standing by. So in the end, you want it to have that octagon shape. So you kind of have to fold each individual one to where it keeps the shape. So we're going to start. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here where I already have a little bit. And because you're dealing with tissue paper, it's not very strong, so you got to be kind of careful. It does not have to be perfect. It's part of the process. So we're going to start with the first two. And then I'm going to actually do the opposite side, and then we'll work our way in. Makes it a little sturdier too when you fold it over. You can trim as you need to. I think I'm going to actually do it right here where I trim a little bit. We hot glued the popsicle stick, so that shouldn't be a problem. And you'll get your little piece of yarn, and you can wrap it around there a couple times, maybe tie a knot, and that will be how you hang your barrilete. So now we're just going to start folding it in. I'll put a little more glue here. So we're keeping pretty good, sturdy, sharp angles. Rotate it, start working on the other side. Looking good. Now the string part might be a little tricky. I might just cut ourselves a little place for the string to go. Put a little glue here. Right, and when we flip it around, not too bad. So that's probably the most difficult part, is just getting to this shape. And then the rest of it, we'll give you little pieces for the tails, and then you can cut whatever shape you want to do to decorate it. And there you go, you will have a barrilete. Thanks for watching.